So today we are looking at the world of languages. The world of languages. It is estimated that at least 7,000. There are at least 7,102 languages which are known alive in the world today. 23 of those languages are mother tongue to more than 50 million people. These are mother tongue to more than 50 million people. And these 23 languages make up the native language of 4.1 billion people. 4.1 billion people speak 23 languages out of the total 7,102 languages which are known. 7,102 languages which are known. We represent each language within the black borders and then provide the numbers of native speakers in millions by country. The color of these countries shows how languages have taken root in many regions. So if you can take a look, you will see that there are 7.2 billion people on Earth. Okay, I think I should use this one. There are 7.2 billion people on Earth. 6.3 billion people included in the study from which we have obtained data. 4.1 billion people have one of the 23 most spoken languages as a native tongue. So, from this table, you can be able to see that English language is spoken by 335 million people. 335 million people speak English. 335 million people speak English. They speak English. In the US, there are 225 people. 225 people in the US who speak English. There are 15.6 million people in Australia speaking English. 3.8 million people in New Zealand speak English. South Africa has 4.9 million people. In the UK, there are 55.6 million people speaking English. Canada, 19.4 million people. Ireland, 4.2. Singapore, 1.1 million. Zimbabwe, 300,000 people. Trinidad and Tobago, 1.3 million people speak English. They speak English. So there is so many. Malaysia, 400,000 people. In Sierra Leone, 500,000 people speak English. They speak English. Italian is spoken by 63.8 million people, with 58.7 million people being in Italy. France has 1 million people speaking Italian. Switzerland, 700,000 people speak Italian, which is good. Japanese has 128 million people speaking the Japanese language, and most of them are in Japan. Japanese, they speak English. No, they speak Japanese. Persian, 57 million people, with 46 million in Iran, 8 million in Afghanistan, 1 million in Pakistan. Malay or Bahasa is spoken by 60.5 million people, with 44 million people in Indonesia. Malaysia, 15 million people. Thailand, 1 million people. Singapore has half a million people speaking Malay or Bahasa. Marathi is 71.8 million people, and it is largely spoken in India, with all the speakers in India. Hindi is another language spoken by 260 million people, with 258 million people being in India. 258 million people being in India, so only 2 million people are outside India who speak Hindi. Urdu is spoken by 64 million people, with 10 million people in Pakistan, 51.5 million people in India, 700,000 people in Nepal. Russian is spoken by 166 million people, with Russian Federation having 138 million people, Kazakhstan 3.8 million people, Ukraine 8.4 million people, Belarus 6.7 million people, Latvia 0.9 million people, Uzbekistan has 4 million people. German is spoken by 78.1 million people, with 69.8 million people. 69.8 million people in German. Poland has 1 million people. Switzerland has 700,000 people. Korean is spoken by 77.2 million people, with 49.3 million people being from South Korea. 2.7 million people in China speak Korean. Russia has 0.1 million people. That's 100,000 people. Japan has 1 million people speaking Korean. North Korea has 24.2 million people speaking Korean. So most Korean is spoken in South Korea, followed by North Korea. Turkish is spoken by 70.9 million people, with 66.5 million people in Turkey and 600,000 people in Bulgaria. They are in Bulgaria. Spanish is spoken in numerous countries. There are those 399 million people speak Spanish. 103 million are in Mexico. 34 million are in the United States. Peru has 24 million people. 15 million people in Chile. 11.2 million people in Cuba. 8.6 million people in Dominican Republic. Spain has 38.4 million people. So most Spanish is not spoken in Spain. It is actually spoken in Mexico. Followed by Spain. Then the third country is United States. Also, Venezuela has a good population speaking Spanish. Actually, Argentina has 38.8 million people. So it is Mexico, followed by Argentina, followed by Spain. So those are the leading countries where Spanish is spoken. Colombia has 41 million people. Bengal is spoken by 189 million people around the world, with Bangladesh having 106 million people. India has 82.5 million people. French is spoken by 75.9 million people, with 60 million being from France. Canada has 7.3 million people speaking French. US, Belgium, and China, they have some number which is insignificant. Chinese is spoken by 1.1 billion people. Chinese is spoken by 1.1 billion people. However, there are macro language which includes different languages and dialects. For example, there is Gan, which is spoken by 20.6 million speakers, Hakka by 30.1 million speakers, Uizo by 4.6 million speakers, Jinyu by 45 million speakers, Mandarin by 848 million speakers. Mandarin, 848 million speakers. It is one of the most spoken language in China, Mandarin. Minbei is spoken by 10.3 million people, Mindong by 9.12 million people, Minnan by 46.6 million people, Minsong by 3 million people, Puxian by 2.5 million people, Wu by 77 million people, Xiang by 36 million people, Cantonese by 62 million people. And you should note that the intended listing of individual dialects does not include all Chinese languages or dialects. In China, these languages are spoken by 1.1 million people. But there is also some Chinese spoken in Taiwan by 21.8 million people, 6.5 million people in Hong Kong, 5.1 million people in Malaysia speak Chinese, and there are several other countries where Chinese is spoken. The most popular language being learned around the world is 1.5 billion learners are learning English, 82 million are learning French, 30 million are learning Chinese, 14.5 million are learning Spanish, 14.5 million are learning German, 8 million people are learning Italian, and 3 million people are learning Japanese. Okay. Distribution of living languages by country. The total count of living languages used as first language in 60 countries. Okay, Botswana, 38 million people. Guinea, Uzbekistan, 39. There are 146 million in Malaysia, Canada, 1 million. This is the ethnologue. The source is ethnologue, languages of the world. Sources: CIA, USA, UNESCO, United Nations, University of Dusseldorf, and the Washington Post. The reason why English, French, and Spanish are among the world's most widespread languages, as it is roots in imperial past of the nations where they originate. The reasons why English, French, Spanish are among the world's most widespread languages, as it is roots in the imperial past of the nations where they originate. So those who speak English are in 110 countries. Those who speak Arabic are in 60 countries. Those who speak French are in 33 countries. 51 countries. Chinese, 33 countries. Spanish, 31 countries. Persian, 29 countries. Germany, 18 countries. Russian, 16 countries. Malay or Bahasa, 13 countries. Portuguese, 12 countries. Italian, 11 countries. Turkish, 8 countries. Those who speak Marathi is one country, it is India. Telugu, 2 countries. Japanese, 2 countries. Vietnamese, 3 countries. Japanese, 3 countries. Bengal, 4 countries. Hindi, 4 countries. Korean, 5 countries. Urdu, 6 countries. Tamil, 6 countries. Randal, Turkish, 8 countries. This is how many countries speak a certain language. 100 countries speak English. It's the leading, followed by Arabic in 60 countries. Okay. English is also spoken in Myanmar, not only English, but this is Chinese, by half a million people. Macau, half a million people. Philippines, 700,000 people. Singapore, 1.8 million people. Thailand, 1.2 million people. Vietnamese, Chinese is spoken by 0.9 million people. Basically, those are some of the things that you need to know today about the world of languages. The world of languages. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in to Kerosi TV. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, like, and share our content. See you in the next